Hey guys, this is Aiden Liu from Shanghai, China. Now this car in front of me is the new NIO ET7. The ET7 is the first car built on the NT 2.0 platform. Let's take a look at it. The whole design of the ET7 is simple. Standard X-Bar front face with double dash daytime running lights, and the through tail lights that gives you a simple futuristic feeling. The most noticeable design of the ET7 is the Watchtower Sensor layout above the windshield, which included a high precision radar in the center and two 8 million pixels camera on both sides. These are for the NAD system. I will talk about it later. The profile looks great. The designer reduced the drag coefficient to just 0.208, and this car is 5.1 meters long and 3 meters for wheelbase, very similar to the Mercedes-Benz E-classes. So this car is definitely a premium full-size sedan. To open the door, you just need to hold the handle and the frameless door will pop out for you. When you close it, just need to gently push it. It will close itself. The designer used the simplest design, which gives a delicate and warm space in the ET7, generous interior space with microfiber on the roof, and Napa leather for the inner lid. The wooden decorates here is called Karoon, covers 14 places in the car, and it is environmentally friendly. The interior shows simple but luxurious, with the 256 colors curtain-type ambient lights, even more luxurious and comfortable in the car. I feel gorgeous in here. AC outlets are hidden under the dashboard, unlike other cars just blow at your face. It's super comfortable. You've got a 10.2-inch screen for instrument cluster and a HUD update. A 12.8-inch center screen for all the functions of the car. To operate it, it is fast and clear and smooth. They also kept some physical buttons including driving mode, hazards, and lock and unlock buttons. And this neo-classic shift gear is the best I've ever used. Pull for drive, push for reverse, and press here for the park. It is pretty simple to use. The steering wheels looks beautiful with Napa leather in two colors. There are some physical controllers for the instrument cluster. The window controllers are over here and it is interesting. There's a button to open the door. It is useful and simple. Also, you've got your personal driving assistant, NOMI. You can just say hi NOMI to her, and she will turn to you and interact with you. You can ask her to do anything on this car, adjust the AC, navigation, and so on and so on. The NIO ET7 has 23 Dolby Atmos speakers with the immersive function. All you feel is just quiet and peaceful. Surprisingly, although it has frameless doors, it is still quiet in the car. Because this is a long wheelbase sedan, there's plenty of legrooms in the back seats, and beside the middle seats in the second row, all seats of the ET7 has massage, air conditioning, and heating function. The seats are very soft and comfortable. And also, you've got a super comfortable armrest in the middle. And there is a 6.6-inch screen at the center to control all the functions back here. It is a little bit far away, but this is a long car. With the panoramic roof glasses and the simple light color, the interior is so enjoyable. I have to say, this design is a brilliant idea. Next step, let's get it on the road. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Chinese EV videos updates. All series of the ET7 are equipped with front and rear dual motor, a totally 480 kW power and 850 Nm for torque. You can choose different battery pack ranging from 550 km to 705 km. NIO has an extra long-range battery which has 150 kWh and ranging 1,000 km will release later this year. And this car can do 0 to 100 km acceleration in 3.8 seconds. Let's build.
可以，很丝滑。可以。对。
At the beginning, I mentioned the NT 2.0 platform and the NIO Autonomous Driving System (NAD). All NIO cars built at the NT 2.0 platform, such as ET7 and ET5 in the future, equipped with the sensor radar on top of the car. And the NAD system includes two parts: Aquila perception system and Atom supercomputing. The Aquila system using those radar to detect road conditions, transfer to the Atom supercomputing and analyze data. When the NAD system is fully completed, it can recognize road conditions in different scenarios, no matter highway, city, or countryside, makes your driving safer. And in the future, automatic driving can be achieved on this car. Price of the ET7 according to different battery packs started from 450,000 RMB, which is around $67,000, up to 520,000 RMB, which is $77,000. Also, you can choose leasing battery for 1,600 RMB per month to say 120,000 RMB, which is around $18,000. When you lease a battery from NIO, you will enjoy the battery swap service, which I will talk about in my other video. This is all about the NIO ET7. It will be sold in Europe soon. If they are selling this car in your country, will you choose to buy it? Please comment under this video and please subscribe me to see more Chinese EV videos.